Alright, for the first part of the video homework, let's talk about problem 7. So in problem 7, we know that zt equals net n1t cosine wt plus theta plus n2t sine omega t plus theta, and the theta is in 0 to 2 pi, and n1t and n2t, they are WSS, and n1t, n2t, and theta, they are all independent. So that's all we know from the question. And the first question asked us to find the expectation of zt. So since we know that n1t and n2t are WSS, we know that the expectation of n1t should be, and the expectation of n2t, they should be constants, right? So let's write this down. Let's note the expectation of n1t is eta 1, and the expectation of n2t is eta 2. And the expectation of zt can be written in another form as this. The expectation of n1t cosine wt plus theta plus n2t sine wt plus theta, and this is, we can take this expectation of n1t and n2t out as eta 1 times expectation of cosine wt plus theta plus eta 2 expectation of sine wt plus theta. And the next step is easy, because we just write this expectation in the previous form we see in the previous chapter, like this. It's the 1/2 pi from 0 to 2 pi cosine wt plus theta d theta plus eta 2 1/2 pi 0 to 2 pi sine wt plus theta d theta, right? So this is the equation we have right now, and we know that the result of this part should be 0, and the result of this part also 0. So it became eta 1 times 0 plus eta 2 times 0. It's still 0. Okay, that's all about the question A. And the question B. So the question B asked us to find RZ T1, T2. And also we're asked to tell if ZT is WSS. So as we all know, the RZ T1 and T2 can be written as the product of two expectations, ZT1 and ZT2. something like this. It's a very long part. It's n1 t1 cosine wt1 plus theta plus n2 t1 sine wt1 plus theta times n1 t2 cosine wt2 plus theta plus n2 t2 sine wt2 plus theta, right? So this is the equation of the expectation we have. And then when we open this this parenthesis, we can have something like this. It's also very long. R1 cosine wt plus theta times cosine wt1 wt2 plus theta plus eta1 eta2 cosine wt1 plus theta sine wt2 plus theta plus eta1 eta2 expectation of sine wt1 plus theta cosine wt2 plus theta plus rn2 tau expectation of sine wt1 plus theta sine plus theta. Okay, right. Then we can implement the function of cosine sine theta in this part, in this all four function, right? So we have, just for example, because it's very easy function, cosine wt1 plus theta times cosine wt2 plus theta. It should be 1 over 2 cosine t1 plus t2 plus 2 theta plus cosine w t1 minus t2, right? And we have this t1 minus t2 as tau, so the final form of this cosine wt1 plus theta times cosine wt2 plus theta should be like this. Sine w tau, right? Okay, and the rz t1 t2 equals 1 over 2 rn1 tau plus rn2 tau times cosine w tau, which is rz tau, right? So Zt is WSS, okay, right? And the next question, question C. We want to know the RZ0. It's very easy now because we have the answer of question B. So it's 1 over 2 Rn0 plus Rn2, Rn1 0 plus Rn2 0, cosine 0, which is 1, cosine 0, which is 1. So it's 1 over 2 expectation n1 to 2 plus n that's it. So that's all about the problem 7.